Most clay shooters think hitting targets is just about practice. But the truth is, many shooters spend years on the range without learning the small secrets professionals use every day. Tiny details that completely change your accuracy and consistency. In this video, we'll break down 5 clay shooting secrets most shooters never learn. First, why your eyes control the entire shot. Second, why smooth movement beats rushing the gun. Third, how the hold point prepares your swing before the target even appears. Fourth, why follow-through keeps your shot connected to the target. And finally, why great shooters rely on confidence instead of overthinking. Master these simple secrets, and you'll start breaking more targets with rhythm, control, and confidence. Before we continue, I want to say something from the heart. Making videos like this takes a lot of time, research, practice, and real effort on the range. I genuinely work hard to bring you techniques that actually help you improve your clay shooting. Not just theory, but real experience. So if you appreciate this effort, take 1 second to support the channel. Hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more shooters. Subscribe if you want to keep learning and improving together. And drop a comment below. Your feedback tells me what you want to learn next. Your support motivates me to create even better and more detailed videos for this clay shooting community. And most importantly, share this video with your friends who love clay shooting. Let's help more shooters improve together and build a strong shooting community. Now, let's get back to the technique. Secret number 1. Your eyes control everything. One of the biggest secrets in clay shooting is simple: where your eyes focus. Most beginners watch the shotgun barrel, thinking it helps them aim. But great shooters don't focus on the gun at all. They focus on the target. The moment the clay appears, their eyes lock onto it immediately. From that point on, the target never leaves their vision. When your eyes stay connected to the clay, your brain naturally calculates the speed, distance, and lead needed for the shot. You don't force the movement. You let your vision guide it. The gun simply follows your eyes. This is why professional shooters react so smoothly and consistently. They trust their vision instead of chasing the target with the barrel. Remember this rule every time you step onto the stand. Your eyes lead the shot. The gun just follows. Secret number 2. Smooth movement beats fast movement. Many shooters think they need to move the gun as fast as possible to catch the target. But speed without control usually leads to jerky swings and missed shots. Professional shooters do the opposite. They move the gun smoothly and naturally, matching the speed of the clay target. No rushing, no panic, just a steady, controlled swing. When your movement is smooth, your balance stays strong and your timing stays consistent. That rhythm keeps the gun connected to the target. Clay shooting isn't about being the fastest shooter on the stand. It's about moving with control and confidence. Remember this simple rule: don't chase the target with speed. Match it with smooth movement, because in clay shooting, smooth always beats fast. Secret number 3. The power of the hold point. Another secret many shooters ignore is the hold point. The hold point is where your gun waits before the target appears. If your barrel starts too high, your movement becomes rushed. If it starts too low, you lose time reaching the target line. Professional shooters place the barrel just below the clay's flight path. This gives them space to move smoothly into the target. No sudden lift, no panic correction, just one clean, controlled movement. The hold point prepares your shot before the target even appears, and that preparation makes the swing feel natural and confident. Because in clay shooting, the best shots usually start before the target is even called. Secret number 4. Follow through after the shot. One mistake destroys more targets than people realize. Stopping the gun the moment you pull the trigger. But clay targets never stop moving. If the gun stops, the shot usually falls behind. Professional shooters always continue the swing after firing. This is called follow-through. The barrel keeps moving along the target line even after the shot is gone. It's a small motion, but it keeps the shot connected to the moving target. Stopping the gun breaks that connection. So remember this rule on every stand. Shoot and keep the gun moving, because the best shooters never stop the swing. Secret number 5. Confidence beats overthinking. Clay shooting happens fast. Targets appear, move, and disappear in seconds. But many shooters try to calculate everything: angle, speed, distance, lead. And while they're thinking, the moment is already gone. Great shooters simplify the process. They trust their training. Their mindset is simple. See the target, move smoothly, pull the trigger. No complicated calculations, just confidence and rhythm. Because in clay shooting, hesitation is the real enemy. And confidence often breaks more targets than perfect math. Final message: what makes a great shooter? The truth is simple. Great shooters are not lucky. They simply understand the fundamentals better than most people. They trust their eyes. They move smoothly. They prepare their hold point, and they never stop the gun. These small details separate average shooters from consistent breakers. Master these secrets, and the next time you step onto the range, you won't just shoot. You'll control the target. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these clay shooting secrets surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if this video helped you learn something new, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with another clay shooter.